and welcome to this tech tip. Today we wanted to show you curated help for t-tests in IBM SPSS statistics. My name is Astrid Cook and I'm an analyst here at version 1. So here's my challenge. We conducted a study and we split our participants into two groups. There was a control group and a supplemented learning group, and we tested them on a recognition task. Now we want to run an independent samples t-test, and this will allow us to check for significant differences in the average recognition scores. So we now have curated help, and this will give us quick visual guidance for t-test procedures. You'll be able to find it on one sample, independent samples, and paired samples t-tests. So you can see my output here. We have the independent samples test, we have color coding, and we can see the guidance that will sit below the table. So let's see how this works in IBM SPSS statistics. So I'm in IBM SPSS statistics, and you can see I have my group assignment variable here and the recognition score here. So to conduct my test, I'll go to the Analyze menu, come down to Compare Means and Proportions, and I'll select Independent Samples t-test. Let me just click on Reset so I can show you how I set this up. So my test variable, the recognition score, I'll move into the test variable area, and the grouping variable are the actual groups. So I'll move group assignment across, and I'll click on the Define Groups button. So group 1 is 1, group 2 has a code of 2. I'll click Continue. I want the homogeneity of variance test, and I can also ask for effect sizes. And then when I'm ready, I'll click OK. So if I look at my output, you can see at the top we've got group statistics. We can see the count in each group. We can see the average. And we can also see the results from the test. We can see the one-sided significance test, the two-sided significance test. And below this, we have our guidance. So this is the curated help. If we look at one-sided P, you'll see that both for equal variance is assumed and equal variance is not assumed, the test is significant. And of course, you have the results for the two-sided test. So the curated help just gives you a quick overview of the test, and you can see very quickly the results. So that's everything we wanted to show you today. If you want more information, you can visit us at www.spssanalyticspartner.com. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.